everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Queen Shahi and today I'm going to talk about Autonomous Intelligent Robot Agent, AIRA. I mentioned AIRA and told you I'll be bringing more details on that in my previous Robonomics Network video, where I talked about how Robonomics will change the way autonomous industry functions. If you haven't seen the video yet, then I really encourage you to check the link in the description below. Now, let's not waste any more time and get straight to know about AIRA. AIRA stands for Autonomous Intelligent Robot Agent. With built-in support for the Robonomics protocol, it is the client for the Robonomics Network developed by AIRA Lab. It is an image of an autonomous economic agent robot capable of independently contracting for service delivery and its maintenance. I'm excited to tell you that with AIRA, you can turn any cyber-physical system into economic agent, where robots operate as a service for a reasonable payment. Machine-to-machine payment, robot as a service, smart factory, autonomous sensors network, fully automated supply chain are concepts that AIRA will be useful for. AIRA implements a great standard of economic interaction between human to robot and robot to robot via liability smart contract. AIRA makes it possible to connect a variety of different robots to the market of robot liabilities existing on Ethereum for the direct sales of data from robot sensors, ordering of logistics services, and organized ordering of personalized product at fully automated enterprises. Sounds fantastic, right? Download the AIRA client directly from the GitHub or by checking on the link in the description below and explore all the amazing things AIRA can do. AIRA is highly customizable, but it's recommended to have an understanding of Nix operating system and Nix language. The simplest way to get familiar with AIRA is to try installing AIRA as a virtual machine. You can check out how to install and interact with AIRA by checking out the link in the description below. It comes with a few pre-installed and configured services to help you focus on agent development. AIRA Lab is the amazing developers community around the Robonomics platform, which is working on the platform, the network, and its implementation. Using the existing technologies, AIRA Lab has built a bridge between robotics and economy. AIRA Lab team believes the market mechanism makes a network more sustainable than any other approach in the context of arranging a common work of cyber-physical system, capable of self-organization and adaptation. I'm excited to tell you that AIRA Lab is working closely with DAO IPCI, who has created decentralized blockchain-based ecosystem for the users to work with environmental assets, liabilities, and carbon market institutions. You can learn more about the decentralized climate program by visiting ipci.io. With AIRA, robotic engineers can increase the level of autonomy of their cyber-physical system, giving it the features of an economic agent, create markets for the robotic services, connect robot as service, and build automated chain for providing citizens with services. I encourage all the interesting technical viewers to install and interact with AIRA. For all the non-technical viewers, I encourage you to join AIRA community at Twitter, YouTube, and Telegram by checking on the link in the description below. So guys, this was an introduction to AIRA and the team behind it. I will keep bringing more interesting updates and information about the project regularly. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. I will include all the important links in the description below. Stay active and logical, and we'll see you in the next one.